Let's learn the body parts with Hafsa. Where's your eyes?
Eyes.
Where's your hairs? Where's your head? Where's your nose? Where's your lips? Where's your teeth? Where's your tongue? Tongue. Where's your chin? Ears. Where's your cheeks? Where's your shoulder? Where's your elbow? Where's your hand? Your fingers? Where's your hips? Knees? Where's your knees? Where's your feet? Where's your toes?
Mama.
Now let's have some fun.
Where's your head? Where's your head? Where's your eyes? Blink it. Where's your nose? Smell it. Where's your lips? Where's your teeth? Where's your tongue? Show me. Where's your chin? Where's your ears? Where's your cheeks? Where's your shoulder? Hafsa? Where's your hands? Where's your fingers? Where's your elbow? Where's your stomach? Stomach? Where's your hips? Where's your knees? Where's your feet? Stamp it. Where's your toes? Show me.